saying? That beat all the way with the toe.
Got the shit that's sitting tall, gripping on the wood, gripping on.
Been sitting outside for a while without the top and the doors on. So, giving a little TLC. Cleaning the carpet anyway, so then I'm wet back it out, shop back it. It's been sitting in the rain any damn way, so the customer finna get ready to sell it. So just want to get all that black stuff and stuff off the seats. All off everything. You never know what you can get done at B&M Customs. Just get with me and let me know what the project is. Pretty sure I can get it done. Special mixture spray. Looking a hell of a lot better already. Man, you know what's going on. BM Customs, baby. Customer just left. They was real pleased about what's going on. Basically getting all that black stuff. Well, there ain't too much left on there for me to show you. But it was covered in, I guess, tree sap. So, had to get all that stuff off of it. Let me cut y'all back off, and I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. So, final results. Pull the seat up. Man, you know what's going on. B&M Customs. Let me rephrase that. BM Customs. Man, it looks 1,000 times better. Let me raise this seat up. Hold up. Let me sit you down. My bad, my bad. All cleaned up as far as the inside. I'll be putting the top on and the doors back on for the customer, and I'll be tackling this outside. And it's for sale. It just don't look too bad. She got a nice number on it though. BM Customs. We just don't build them, we clean them too. You understand what I'm saying? But, so I guess it will be a part 2 to this video of me detailing it. But man, you know what's going on. It's your boy Bizzle. Like, comment, subscribe, share. Got some more videos coming, man. I had stopped for a minute. I kind of got discouraged in it. But my boy Doinks, he told me just keep grinding, man. Keep doing it. Keep going. Keep going. And everything will come together, man. So shout out to my boy Doinks Lifestyle. Y'all go follow him and checking him out, man. He doing some real good stuff over there, man. With that box Chevy and that Dunk and that Monte Carlo, man. I like what he doing over there, man. Good dude for real, man. So with that being said, man, just stay humble and man, keep your grind strong and you'll get the. I'm gone for right now, but I will be right back at you.
Got the Chevy